Air vents blowing cold air when your heater is on can totally mess with your cozy plans, but fixing it is usually easier than you think. So, first off, check if your fan direction is right. Sometimes the fan blows air the wrong way, which means you get cold air instead of warm. If your system lets you reverse the fan direction, give that a shot. It can make a big difference. Next, peek at your thermostat settings to make sure it's actually set to heat and the temperature is higher than the room's current temp. Also, replace or clean your air filters because clogged filters can reduce airflow and make your system work harder without warming things up. Don't forget to check if your vents are open and not blocked by furniture or whatever else. Blocked vents can cause cold spots. Another quick tip is to inspect your outdoor unit if you have a heat pump. Sometimes ice buildup can cause cold air to blow inside. If you've got a programmable thermostat, double check its schedule so it's not accidentally set to cool during heating hours. And finally, if all else fails, calling a pro might be worth it because sometimes the problem is deeper, like low refrigerant or a faulty valve. One of the biggest issues people run into with air vents blowing cold air in heating mode is ignoring the fan direction. If it's wrong, no amount of thermostat fiddling will help, so flipping that switch is key. Another common mistake is not checking the thermostat settings properly, like leaving it on fan only or cooling mode by accident. So always double check that it's set to heat and at the right temperature. The third big problem is clogged or dirty air filters and blocked vents, which kill airflow and make your heater feel useless. Swapping out filters regularly and clearing vents fixes most of this hassle. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding local contractors a breeze by connecting homeowners with trusted pros who actually get the job done right. On the flip side, contractors can find steady work there without stressing over endless marketing or flaky leads, which keeps everyone happy and warm in their homes.